and my nephew. Hey, great. Slide to the side and let the rest of the people in.
Excellent snow here. So it's today 11th. No, today's 10th, and it's absolutely fantastic. But we are not able to go till what's that? Rohtang. In the mountain, there is so much snow that we are not able to go there. After Murray, we went forward around 4-5 kilometers, but it's snowing like anything. It's everywhere. It's white. We are shivering over here. It's just like it's not like It's like fantastic. It's amazing. Entire range is completely white, and you can't see anything from here. The visibility is maximum 10 to 15 meters, and it's around 10:30 here. So this is fantastic altogether. It's a mesmerizing experience of lifetime, and hope so that from tomorrow onwards the live status would be Rohtang Pass would be closed. The way it's snowing from last couple of hours over here at the top, it may not be possible to continue Rohtang. So maybe next year. Thank you so much. So now it's time to go back to car. We are literally shivering. Hopefully there may be some interesting video once again when we will be somewhere down 5-10 kilometers, and let's see. Thank you.